Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 159,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.